Welcome back. Time to get your back in gear. Today at 7:30, join Dr. Greg Forbes in 1073 of Rathbone Hall to learn about severe thunderstorms and how to stay safe during them. Ooh, ouch! This Wednesday at 11 a.m., join UPC for the K-State Farmers Market right here in Bosco Student Plaza. This Wednesday at 7 p.m., block out your schedule to join Universal Pictures in UPC for a free showing of Blockers, happening in the AMC Dine-In Movie Theater. This Thursday at 6 p.m., join the 48-hour film competition for your chance to create a film in just 48 hours and win filmmaking gear and prizes.
Oh my God, how am I supposed to do this in 48 hours?